Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very quick tip on fixing some issues when you're working with Illustrator. And today we're going to deal with dashes. I don't know if you have noticed or if you have encountered this problem, because I do most of the time. And when I first found out how to fix this, it made my life so easy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what the problem is and how you can fix it. You have all these dashed lines here as each bullet point. And now when you try to export it as a PNG, it results in this image. That is, you have all this, it looks perfectly all right. When you scroll in, you see some of the dashes are missing. One thing is, how do you fix this? These dash lines are there in the Illustrator file, but they are missing when you export it as a PNG. So here we'll learn how to fix that issue, which is a really quick 2-minute thing to do. Okay, so first of all, select your dashes. Let's just go here and find those which have dashes missing. Okay, I'll just scroll right in. So the first one here, if I scroll in, that's 1, 2, and third one. So we're going to fix this, save the file, and then reopen it and check if it's all right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is the one. So I'll just select this, go to Object, Flatten Transparency, and here I'll say preset you could keep for high resolution. And I'll click on Convert All Strokes to Outlines. So this is what we need, all strokes to outlines. And everything else, I'm just going to keep it the same because this is dependent on the file settings. And click OK. And now we'll export this as a PNG. File, Export, Export As. I'm just going to give some random name, that is test 6. And use artboard and export. And OK. Alright, so now it's time to test. Let's open this file and let's go here. It was a third bullet point. So if you scroll in, you can see the third bullet point is alright. So what you can do is, once you create all your dashes, you can select all of them by holding your shift key. I'm just going to go back. Okay, so you can just go and select all your strokes or lines using your shift key, and then you can go to Object and then Flatten Transparency. This will make sure that all your dashed lines or line segments appear perfectly fine when you try to export it as a PNG or JPEG or anything or whatever. Okay, so that's the end of this mini tip tutorial. So hope you like it, and if you want me to do such tiny mini tutorials, do let me know, and I'll try to make some more. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.